The GKS container dollies move ISO containers safely and securely due to their special cone fittings that secure the dolly to the container. Container dolly systems are comprised of two separate dollies. The F, or following dolly, consists of two straight-line skates with a connecting bar. The TL, or tandem lead dolly, has swivel plates underneath its cone fittings to facilitate steering, and a handlebar with a towing eye. To put your dollies to work, you'll first need to lift the container off the ground using GKS hydraulic tow jacks. Position the F dolly so that it is placed underneath the corners of the container, and lower the container onto the dolly. Take caution to lower the load slowly. Lock the cone fittings to secure the container to the dolly. You will then follow the same process for the TL dolly. You are now free to move the container when all the cone fittings are locked. The polyamide rollers on our dollies are non-marking to surfaces and are highly durable. You're also able to overcome small cracks or imperfections on the ground. For further information, please refer to the operating manual that comes with your GKS dollies.